Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can download the Meesho app on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open your Play Store app. So once you open your Play Store, on the search bar menu you need to simply type in Meesho. Then you need to click on the install button at the Meesho online shopping app. So after a few minutes, your Meesho app will start to download, and after the download completes, it will start to install in your device. So Meesho app will take few minutes to be installed in the device. However, you can enjoy your shopping thoroughly once it gets completely installed in your device. So after a few minutes of wait, your app is ready and you will get the option to open the app. So once you click on the open button, you can thoroughly enjoy your shopping. Happy shopping, everyone! So this was an easy tutorial on how you can download the Meesho app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.